Hey y'all, what's going on? It is February 25th. It's very exciting. As you can tell, I've got my jersey on and we are going to a Canes game tonight. Tonight's a little different. It's like an early birthday celebration. Like, I bought these tickets for myself for my birthday because I was so excited who they're playing. Who they're playing is my second favorite team, the Dallas Stars. We only play them twice a year. This is when they are here this year. So I get to see my two favorites, Jamie Benn and Tyler Seguin. And very excited about that. And then we got some new guys here. We had some trades. We have some new guys on the team for us that we're excited to see play, and our two call-up goalies. It's such a mess right now. But we got a whole crew going tonight. And you're gonna see all of them, but very excited. We're gonna go cheer on our Canes and have a great night. So let's go.
Welcome to PNC Arena, the loudest house in the NHL.
But hold on, let's meet the crew first. Now back to the hockey game.
Tonight's matchup is a cross-conference matchup featuring the visiting Dallas. And your Carolina Hurricanes.
What time they use it?
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars do fill us by. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly
We have ours.
everyone gets
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's go!
Whoa!
Let's go, Canes! Let's go, Canes!
Oh, got him.
At the end of the first period, the score is the Dallas Stars 3, the Carolina Hurricanes no score. Second period, yours,
Why is he sitting down?
Let's go!
Wow.
I knew you were... Icing. Who said that?
Well, ref.
Oh!
Take a third one.
Oh! Yeah, it slaps.
number 23, Asa Liddell, 2 minutes for tripping. Time penalty 15:47 in the first period. Stars Liddell, 2 for tripping, 15:47.
Yep.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Wow.
All right, y'all, I am home from the game now. Sadly, it was not the outcome that the Hurricanes wanted. It was 4-1 Stars. It was a tricky night. We were nervous about it anyways. With the goaltenders coming up from the AHL, you had 3 new guys coming in. It was just, we played a good game. It just wasn't our best to beat the Stars tonight, and we weren't flowing like we usually do. So, but it was still so much fun. The crew that I had with us tonight was epic. We had so much fun. I would not have had any other people come besides these people. And it was a great early birthday celebration. My voice is a little tired right now. But it was awesome. And I love that that's how I spent part of my birthday this year. So, which is really cool. But please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below to join this awesome family, you guys, and I'm bringing y'all a ton more content here coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye, y'all.